Hey everybody, welcome to Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. Messing around the shop today, I dug this out from underneath the bench. It's been sitting around for years, don't know where it ever came from. It's probably a garage sale deal, $5–10 I would guess. It's a little benchtop drill press. It would be kind of handy for smaller stuff. Guardian Power is the brand of it, which I've never heard of. 5-speed heavy-duty drill press. Not my definition of heavy-duty, but it'll work. It seems like it's in good shape. Runs nice and smooth. We're going to get cleaned up, mounted to the bench. This belt out of here first. Somebody has a bolt in there holding that pulley in, so I have to find the right set screw for it, because you can't even use that groove, plus it's probably not real safe anyway. That was easy enough. Be careful pulling this return spring off because it's going to have pressure on it. Pressure's relieved and then it can just slide right off. Pinion seems in good shape. No broke or missing teeth. Quill's also in good shape. Next we'll try and get this head off here. For as rusty as this is, it's coming apart surprisingly easy. I'll get the post off the base and we'll be ready to clean everything up and start reassembling it. Okay, it's all disassembled. Start cleaning parts up. Okay, I've got all these parts cleaned up. I did not paint this because I'm going to be using it. So I didn't want to waste the time or money on it. Especially considering it was probably $10–15 at a yard sale, and now that it's cleaned up and going to be put back together, it's probably be worth $10–15 at a yard sale. This table can be tilted 45 degrees in either direction. It's got degree markings on the back, but there's nothing on the table itself. I wouldn't count on it being real accurate anyway. It's about 1/16 off right now. right on according to the ruler. That's probably good enough since this will never be used for any type of precision work anyway. Double check that. Yeah, that's greased up and tightened down. Then put the head back on. That's good enough for that. I'll slide the quill back in there. I'm surprised I never did find what country this thing was made in, but I was surprised that actually has a spline shaft. I figured it would just have a keyway or something in it because it was a cheapie. Before I put the pinion back in, put a little grease on that too. Now the return spring can go back on. Alright, now the motor can go back on it. Now the belt guard can go back on next. Now I can put the step pulley back on. There's a little flat there on the spindle. I got rid of that bolt. Got the proper set screw back in there. Okay, I got a small piece of scrap here I tested out. Doing better than I thought. I'll turn it down one gear and see what happens. Try it at low speed and see how it does. Far from impressive, but a lot better than I thought it would be. Well, that's it for the little Benchtop drill press. Nothing earth-shattering here, but for the cost of about a half hour's worth of elbow grease and a set screw, can't go wrong. Might as well put this thing to use rather than let it sit underneath the bench and rust away. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Catch you next time. Bye.